Now from the AT&T Uverse studio, sponsored by AT&T Uverse.
HTC has a new flagship smartphone called the One and packs some neat new tricks. Rich DeMuro explains in today's Tech Report. He joins us now from Los Angeles. Good morning, Rich.
Hey there, good morning to you, Dolly, and happy Friday. The HTC One is one of the best Android smartphones we've seen in a long time. Has a beautiful screen, a great camera, and a very neat feature. You can use it as a remote control for your TV. HTC One, an eye-catching handset made from a single piece of metal. Beautiful, but you can't add more memory or change the battery. Dual speakers are a nice touch.
Most people that have experienced the phone will say it's the clearest sound they've ever heard coming out of a device.
The first thing you'll notice when you unlock the phone is something called Blink Feed. An ever-changing array of news from sources you select: Facebook, Twitter, ESPN, and more.
It's like a little snack on content as you're just waiting in line, as you're just killing time, and that's one of the ways we found that people use their phones all the time.
I'm not a fan of so much commotion, but you can change the default home screen. The camera on this thing is excellent. It's only 4 megapixels, but it captures more light, so your pictures look great, even in the dark. A feature called Zoe captures a few frames